Hey Mob, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are back with another hair tutorial. So today's video will be sponsored by WorldNewHair, and as you guys can see, it's this chocolate brown 13x4 lace front wig. So if you want to see exactly how I got this look, then just continue to watch. Alrighty, so as I already mentioned, this hair is from WorldNewHair. I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below for you guys. So right now I'm just doing a quick little unboxing. So of course you're gonna have some eyelashes, a scarf for your edges, some brochures that says how to take care of the hair, some coupons, wig caps, all that good stuff. So here is the hair here. As I mentioned, this is a full colored lace front chocolate colored transparent lace wig. It is 180% density. The inches that I have is 24 inches, and it is a pre-plucked frontal, by the way, and it is transparent lace. Alrighty you guys, so it is time for the install. So right now I am just covering the front of my wig cap with some makeup. I use the MAC Studio Fix pressed powder in the color NW45. Also, I know you guys see the elastic band on the wig. I did turn this into a glueless wig. Basically what I did was I measured the elastic band from ear to ear, and you know, I made sure it was tight enough, and then I just went ahead and sewed it on the wig. So the first thing that I'm going to do is basically cut out the ears on this lace front. You want to get that part out of the way, of course, and then I will go ahead and secure the sides. That's like the only thing when you're trying to do like a glueless wig with a 13x4. It's a little harder to do versus a closure. So it was just like right by my ears where I needed to lay the wig down with some adhesive spray. So I'm going to show you guys that, and then I'll come back. Alright, so once I'm sure that both sides are secured with the adhesive spray after melting them with the elastic band, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the additional lace with my little mini razor here. And then whatever I can't get, especially like right by the ears because the adhesive spray kind of stuck to my skin a little bit, I go in with scissors. So you just want to be careful with this part and just cut off whatever extra lace that you know for sure you do not need. So after I do all of that, it's time to start the plucking process. As I did mention earlier, this wig does come pre-plucked, so it's not like I had a lot to do, but I did want to make sure that I got it the same way that I normally have my wigs, because this wig was a little thicker. It is it is 180% density, sorry. It's 180% density, so it was a little fuller, so I did have to pluck just a little bit more than usual, like versus if it was like 150% density or whatever. So yeah, I just did that, and I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups, of course. And then after I do that, I just put a little bit more adhesive spray right on the edges of the lace, just to secure them down. And then I also go in with some makeup to cover any of the wig cap that I feel like is showing and it doesn't look skin-like. Alright, so now it is time for my favorite part. You guys know I go in with my hot comb, which is why I got burnt in the first place, but it's looking a little bit better. But anyways, I'm using my wax stick and I'm also going in with my hot comb, and this is kind of what helps to give you that melt, and it helps it look a little bit more natural. Normally, I love this step because it lets me know if I did a good job plucking or not. Like, this is how you can tell. So yeah, I just go in with my hot comb. Afterwards, I give myself a middle part, and then I'm going to just straighten the wig. I thought about doing like a side part and doing curls, but I really wanted to give myself, I don't know, like this 90s type of vibe because the color was just beautiful. I don't know, the color was just itself was just making me think of like 90s. So when I gave myself the middle part, I did go in and give myself some layers as well, and like I said, I straightened the hair, and that was pretty much it. So I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I'll come back towards the end. Alrighty you guys, so we are coming towards the end of the tutorial. I hope that this was easy to follow. It was a very easy wig to work with and the color is beautiful, of course. So I want to thank WorldNewHair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this beautiful wig. I hope I captured that 90s vibe that I was trying to tell you guys about, but yeah, I will have all the information listed in the description box down below, of course, so make sure you guys check that out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.